Hello friends, welcome to the session. In this session, I am going to explain you about the average value of an alternating quantity. Average value. The average value of an alternating quantity is defined as that value which is obtained by averaging all the instantaneous values over a period of half cycle. If you consider a sinusoidal alternating quantity as shown in the figure here, this is one full cycle. The average value of an alternating quantity over one full cycle is 0. Therefore, the average value of an alternating quantity is defined for half cycle only. Now, if the alternating quantity is current, say if the alternating quantity is a current waveform, then the instantaneous value is given by I is equal to Im sine theta. This is the equation of an alternating quantity in case of current. Now, consider a small interval in the positive half cycle. Let this be a small interval. Let this interval be d theta. X-axis is time axis or it is theta axis. Theta is equal to omega t. Now, let I be the current. Let I be the current in this small interval. Let I be the current flowing. Let I be the value of the instantaneous value in the small interval d theta. Now, average value of an alternating quantity is defined as, here I have considered current, therefore let me take as I average. I average is equal to area under the curve for positive half cycle, area under the curve over half cycle by length of the base over half cycle divided by length of the base over half cycle. This is the average formula, average of an alternating quantity, and average of an alternating quantity is calculated for half cycle. Therefore, I average is equal to area under the curve over half cycle by length of the base over half cycle. Now, what is the area under the curve over half cycle? This is half cycle. In this half cycle, the duration is from 0 to pi. The duration is from 0 to pi. Therefore, area is calculated as area is given by area under the curve. Area is given by area is equal to integral the limit of positive half cycle is from 0 to pi. The duration of positive half cycle is from 0 to pi, therefore it is 0 to pi, and the value of the alternating quantity is I into d theta. What is I? 0 to pi. I is nothing but Im sine theta. Im sine theta into d theta. This is area. When I substitute this area in I average formulae, substitute this value of area in I average formula, I average will be 1 by length of the base. What is length of the base here? Length of the base is 0 to pi. The length of the base here is 0 to pi, that is pi. Upper limit is pi, lower limit is 0, therefore it is pi minus 0 is the length of the base, because we have considered average only for positive half cycle. Therefore, the length of the base is pi. Therefore, I average is 1 by pi. Denominator term is pi, it is the length of the base over half cycle into integral 0 to pi Im sine theta into d theta. Now, integrate this. Im is constant with respect to theta, therefore it is Im is outside. Im by pi. Integration of sine theta is minus cos theta. Under the limit 0 to pi. This is I average. Okay, let me continue on the left side. I average is equal to Im by pi. When I apply the limits, it is minus cos pi theta value, upper limit minus lower limit, minus cos pi minus of minus cos 0. This is equal to Im by pi. Cos pi value is minus 1. Cos pi value is minus 1, therefore it becomes minus into minus plus. It is plus 1. Again here it is minus into minus plus. Cos 0 value is 1. Therefore average, I average formula, finally I average is equal to 2 Im by pi. 2 Im divided by pi. This is the average value of an alternating quantity in case of current. Because I have considered current equation, therefore I average is equal to 2 Im by pi. Similarly, if the alternating quantity is voltage, then V average will be equal to 2 Vm by pi. 2 Vm by pi. This relation can also be given, the relation between average and maximum value. The relation between average and maximum value. V average is equal to 2 Vm by pi. I average is equal to 2 Im by pi. This is the relation between average and maximum value.